We're installing the Snap-Loc steering kit for the Wood Dolly system. It's just simply a fixed caster in the middle of the swivel casters. This will help you steer the platform no matter how long it is. So first thing we're going to do is measure in between the two plates, find our center point. We're going to line up this center caster here, right in the middle of our mark. And in between, then we're just going to take this, we're going to actually mark the centers of the casters with a pencil. And from that point, we'll have some marks on the wood, and then we're going to drill. So we've lined our washers double stacked to equal the height of the plate. We're just going to set our caster on top of that, and we're going to begin screwing the screws in. Of course, not over tightening them, making sure they're in just snug enough. Okay, so I've got the screws down to where they're up just a little bit, so I can adjust the caster and the washers where needed, the spacers. And then we're just going to finish tightening those down. Snap-Loc Wood Dolly steering kit. This can be used on any length boards that you have to help you with directional steering.